Good evening. You're coming from First Glance Weather. Our first slide that we're going to look at, our video slide, is talking about early morning fog. And I already got circled for Florida, but we got some other areas as well for fog, possibility of fog around 5 a.m. and a little bit of wind out in the Atlantic. So this is tomorrow as of 5 a.m. So in the state of Florida, you may want to be careful driving early in the morning. Watch out for possible fog. Florida overnight lows tonight, the north in the low 80s. I already got them circled. That's Tallahassee and Jacksonville at 80 and 81. Central upper 70s, Orlando, and around 80 in the Tampa Bay area. In the south, in the low 80s, with cloudy skies for overnight temperatures. Now, this is our Florida high temperatures for Friday. Looks like the winning ticket tomorrow is Jacksonville at 96 degrees. So the mid 90s up in northern Florida, the low 90s in central Florida, and the upper 80s in South Florida. So with that being said, Tallahassee at 94, Jacksonville at 96. So they get the price for tomorrow. Tampa Bay area at 91, Orlando 92, and Miami at 88 with scattered showers and possible thunderstorms in central and south and partly cloudy to sunny in the north. This is our heat index for tomorrow. It says 4th of July, but it's not only for 4th of July, it's for the rest of the summer. So for heat-related illnesses, stay hydrated, apply sunscreen, wear your shades, and older people and children are more at risk for heat-related illnesses. Grill safety, there's 8,900 on average house fires due to grills, 160 injuries due to grills, damage because of grill fires, and there's on an average 10 deaths due to grill fires and stuff. Keep the grills away from structures in a well ventilated area, away from children and pets. And for fireworks safety, even though we have past 4th of July, but we still have fireworks that are going to be coming up probably around Labor Day again. Never let children to play or initiate fireworks. Keep a bucket of wire or hose nearby. Make sure your fireworks are legal in your area. More than 14,000 4th of July fireworks explode across the nation each year. And so with that being said, we're concentrating mostly on heat index. And you look like into possibly in the whole state of Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, a little bit into Tennessee, and all of Florida, some mid to upper hundreds to lower hundreds for your heat index. So that's why it's stay hydrated, keep in a cool place, try not to be out in the sun too long in them hot heat days. Be safe. This is our first glance weather, scattered showers and thunderstorms, mostly in the south, and that's why, henceforth, that's why the temperature was a little bit lower down there in the mid to upper 80s. And then we got an area of rain just north of us, and then scattered. And these will be moving from the Gulf of Mexico and moving to the East Coast in the afternoon and evening. So we are switching back from a south and southeast wind to a west southwest winds, which that brings the rain early in the morning along the coast here, and then the rain in the afternoon along the coast here. All right, this is our updated tropical storm dawn, and it shows that it's the tropical storm dawn with 50-mile-an-hour winds, and the barometer is at 100.2, and it shows all the majority of the spaghetti model shows it going a little bit north and west, and then a little bit due north, and then northeast. So it's going to nothing around land, and they're watching this area of tropical disturbance down in this that may develop. Then again, it may not. Okay, this is our tonight Pinnellas forecast weather. Thursday night going into Friday morning. We're going to have warm temperatures tonight with 80 degrees. Our wind is going to be from the south southwest at 5 miles an hour. So, see, therefore, we've already transited from southeast winds to south and southwest winds. And it's going to be at 5 miles an hour. And it's going to be partly cloudy after midnight in Pinnellas County. So, the whole Pinnellas County is going to be partly cloudy tonight. Tomorrow in Pinnellas County, like I said, it's going to be 20% chance of showers and possibly even some thunderstorms. Um, Not a very big chance. We may even bump it up to maybe 30% at the most, depending on how far that sea breeze comes in. And it's going to start on the west coast here, then it will be moving to the east. And so the beach areas will get the thunderstorms first, and then maybe down in this general area right in here, another thunderstorms as the bay breeze may form too. So them two may collide together before they move out of the Pinellas County area. So with that being said, there's 20% chance of a possible showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, and your daytime high of 91 degrees, and your winds will be from the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. First glance weather, lead forecaster. I'm Jeffrey Gentry. Don't forget to hit the YouTube button. Don't forget to hit the like button, the notification button, and the comment. Make sure you make some comments so we can get the weather Wednesday's questions start rolling again. Have a great evening, and we will see you tomorrow night for Saturday's forecast. Thank you for tuning in to First Glance Weather, and I will be getting, like I said, I will be getting up my Twitter going, my Instagram going, my YouTube, and my Facebook, and you can see all of the content on them as well, and I will update with weather, severe weather hits on all major social platforms. Thank you. Have a great evening.